Next definition is monoid. In third semester, groups. First unit groups. What is the definition of monoid? Monoid, a semigroup S comma circle with the identity element with respect to circle is known as a monoid. A semigroup S comma circle with the identity element with respect to circle. With respect to circle is known as a monoid. That is, S comma circle is a monoid if S is a non-empty set and circle be a binary operation on S such that circle is associative and there exists an identity element with respect to circle. Okay. For this monoid, first you have to consider what is the definition of group. Already I am told. What is the definition of group? First one is closure. Second one is associative. Third one is existence of identity. Fourth one is existence of inverse. If any set, any non-empty set, for suppose you have to consider here S. If let S be a non-empty set and plus B, or you have to take any binary operation here. Now we have to consider here circle. Okay. If let S be a non-empty set and circle be any binary operation on S, then S comma circle is said to be a group if it satisfies following conditions. What are that conditions? Closure law, associative property, existence of identity, existence of inverse. Okay, this is the definition of group. Okay, now coming to semi-group. What is the definition of semi-group? If S comma circle is said to be a semi-group if it satisfies two conditions. What are that conditions? First one is closure. Second one is associative. Okay, for this associative closure for the S comma circle, you have to let S be a non-empty set and circle be a binary operation on S. Then S comma circle is said to be a semi-group if it satisfies following conditions. What are the conditions? Closure law, associative law. Here for closure law we have A comma B belongs to S implies A circle B belongs to S. What is that associative? Let A comma B comma C belongs to S implies A circle B circle C is equal to A circle B circle C for every A comma B comma C belongs to S. That are the conditions of semigroup. Now coming to monoid. What is the definition of monoid? Let S be a non-empty set and circle be any binary operation on S, then S comma circle is said to be monoid if it satisfies three conditions. What are that conditions? Closure law. Second one is associative. Third one is existence of identity. Okay. That is the definition of monoid. For example, for this monoid, have to consider here Z comma plus is a monoid. The identity element is 0. Here plus is a binary operation. Here what is that binary operation? Here plus. That's why you have to consider here 0. 0 is the additive identity. 0 is the additive identity. Okay, 0 is the additive identity in Z. What is the meaning of additive identity? If any number added to 0, for suppose A, for suppose L number and to consider number here 2 for this 2. Okay, if any number is added to 0, then we will get the same number. That is the additive identity. Okay, that is the definition of additive identity. And if any element added to 0, then we will get the same element. That is the additive identity. What is multiplicative identity? If any number is multiplied by 3, then we will get the same number. That is called multiplicative identity. That is called multiplicative identity. Here we consider z comma z is a monoid. The identity element is 1. Okay, that identity element is 1. That's why z comma dot is a monoid. Okay.